Hello everyone. What I'm going to solve now. This is October November Winter 2021. Its variant is 23 and it's additional mathematics paper 2. So let's see what is given in that question paper.
Papers. So first, see, this is for Cambridge Assessment International Education, and it's Cambridge O level. After having these papers, you must write candidate's name here. Then you must write center number with saying your statement of entry and candidate's numbers. It's additional mathematics paper 2, and its subject code is 4037. Its odd variant, that is 23. It's for October November 2021. Its exam duration is 2 hours. Answer all questions. Use black or dark blue pen. You may use HB pencil for any diagram or graphs. Write your name, center numbers, candidate numbers in the boxes at the top of the page, what I have showed. And you must write the uh, questions answer in the space provided. You cannot use any erasable pen or correction fluid. And please don't write on the barcodes. You should use calculator where appropriate. You must show all necessary workings clearly. No marks will be given for unsupported answer from calculators. Give non-exact numerical answers correct to 3 significant figures or 1 decimal places for angles in degrees unless a different level of accuracy is specified for the question. The total marks for this paper is 80. The number of marks in each question or part of question is given in the bracket. For mathematics, as algebra, you are having quadratic equations. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to x equals to minus b plus or minus 2 over b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And binomial theorems, a plus b whole n equals to a to the power n and blah blah blah. All these things we will have, and this another formula is given. Arithmetic series un equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals to half n a plus l or half n 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Geometric series un equals to a r to the power n minus 1. Sum of geometric series are given for r not equals to 1, and a sum to infinity is also given. Trigonometric identities: sin square a plus cos square equals to 1, sec square a minus 1 plus tan square a, cosec square equals to 1 plus cot square a, and the sum basic formula for uh, the triangle which is not right angle triangle. The sine rule is given, cosine rule is given, area of triangle is given.
This is question number 1. The graph paper is given. So that graph paper is in this x-axis minus to 8 and y-axis minus 2 to 10. On the axis, draw the graphs of y equals to modulus of x minus 5 and y equals to 6 minus modulus of 2x minus 7. X marks is 4. And use your graphs to solve the inequalities. As the inequality is given, its total marks is 2. Let us do a rough sketch. On this, we can first of all, we need to draw y equals to x minus 5. If x0, y is minus 5 and y0, x equals to 5. So this graph is, and the part which is lying below the x-axis, I mean at 0 minus 5, it will be reflected with x-axis. So it will be 0, 5. And the meeting point, this will be 5, 0. Okay. So let me place it on the graph. 5, 0, then 0, 5. So let me join. Okay, this is the graph for y equals to modulus of x minus 5. Okay, now let us try next one. Y equals to modulus of 2x minus 7. We know that how to draw this graph. Already we have done this. X is 0, y is minus 7, and y0, x is 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So this will be the graph, and down part will be removed and it will be deflected here, so it will be 0, 7. This is the graph for this one. Now if there is minus sign given, it will be reflection with x-axis. So let me draw it here now. 0, minus 7, and then 0, 3.5. Now since there is a plus 6 given, so it will be 6 units go up. That means we cross at 0, minus 1, then 6 unit up, it will be 6, 3.5. Then let me draw as usual. So 0, minus 1, 6, 3.5. So let me use it here. 0, minus 1 by 6. So 3.5 and then 6. So let me draw the graph straight up to here. So this is the graph. It meets as 0, minus 1, and it is 3.5, 6, and okay, 0, 5, and this point is 5, 0. 5 is greater than, that means it indicates this part and then that part. So let me find out the coordinates of this point and that point. So this is 2, 3, the coordinates of this point, and that point is maybe 6, 1. So since this part is decreasing gradually and this is increasing, so x less than 2 or x greater than 6, b.
This is question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Give your answers in the form a plus b root 3, where a and b are rational, and its total marks is 5. So we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. From here, let me make y as a subject. Y equals to 3 minus x, and let me consider it as equation number 1, and let me consider this as equation number 2. Substituting y equals to 3 minus x in equation number 2. So let me solve it. 2x minus root over 3, 3 minus x equals to 5. Now, if we simplify this, minus 3 root over 3, this will be plus root 3, then x equals to 5. So let me make x as a subject. So x will be common, 2 plus root 3 equals to 5 plus 3 root 3. So x will be 5 plus 3 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. We know we need to rationalize this one. To rationalize this one, we need to multiply numerator and denominator both by 2 minus root 3. So a plus b into a minus b, I mean 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So we can directly write 2 square minus root 3 square. And upper one, we can multiply 5 with 2, then 5 with root 3, same as 3 root 3 with 2 and 3 root 3 with root 3. I mean root over 3. So 5 to the 10, then minus 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3, then root 3 and root over 3 will be 3, 3 is a 9, so minus 9. And 10 minus 9 is 1 plus 5 minus 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3. It should be only root 3. And down 4 minus 3, so it is becoming 4 minus 3, that is 1, so 1 plus root over 3. So x equals to 1 plus root over. We substitute these x in equation number 1. X, I mean y equals to 3 minus x, y equals to 3 minus x is here 1 plus root over 3, so 3 minus 1 minus root over 3, so 2 minus root over 3. So we have got x equals to 1 plus root over 3, y equals to 2 minus root over 3. So these two are. There is one curve given. This is the curve, and the equation of this curve is y equals to a cos bx plus c, where a, b, c are integers. We need to find the values of a and b. Let me draw a line here. Units up and 3 units down. So its amplitude is 3. So a equals to 3. Cos graph is always, it repeats after 2 pi units. That means its frequency is 2 pi divided by pi, since it repeats after pi units. So its frequency is 2. Now since it's made at 0, 2, so let me substitute a, b and these coordinates in this equation. Y is 2, a is 3, cos 2 times b is 0 plus c. Cos 0 is 1, so this is 3 plus c, so c equals to minus 1. So the values of a is 3, b is 2, and c is minus 1. This is the another equation, y equals to 2 sine 3x plus 4. Write down amplitude, its max is 1, and period in radian. Its amplitude is 2. Amplitude is 2. And its frequency is 3. So its period is 2 pi divided by 3. I mean it repeats after 2 pi by 3 radian. 4. Solve the equation log 6 base 2x minus 3 equals to half. Give your answers in exact form. So, and see its marks is given here 2 marks. So we can write straight 2x minus 3 equals to 6 to the over half. I mean root over 6. So 2x equals to root over 6 plus 3. X equals to root over 6 plus 3 divided by 2. So that's enough to write. Solve the equation ln 2u minus ln u minus 4 equals to 1. Give your answer in exact form. Let me copy this first. So ln 2u minus ln u minus 4 equals to 1. We know that ln a minus ln b equals to ln A divided by B. So let me use this concept here. Ln 2u divided by u minus 4 equals to 1. 2u divided by u minus 4, since base is e, so it will be over 1. And if we multiply, 2u equals to ue minus 4e. Now if I take it in this side and ue minus 2u, if I make u as a subject, so u equals to 4e divided by e minus 2. So this is the solution of this equation, and it's in exact form. Let us solve this equation. This is from indices. We can write 3b and then 27 equals to 3 cube to the power 2b minus 5 equals to 9. So 3b divided by 3 to the power 6b minus 15 equals to 9. Since base is same, we can write 3b minus 6b minus 15 equals to 9. 9 means we can write 3 square. Finally, we can write, since base is same, we can write v minus 6b plus 15 equals to 2, and then let us simplify. 5b equals to 15, it is subtracted, so it is minus 13. So v equals to 13 by 5. That's nice. Okay, this is from trigonometry. I mean, we have done trigonometric identities in our division classes. So let us solve this one. Their left hand side is 1 by cosec x minus 1 plus 1 by cosec x plus 1. I will suggest you always convert in this in sign. That is, cosec x equals to 1 by sin x minus 1 plus 1 by sin x plus 1. If we simplify, I mean multiply denominator by sin x, side by side, numerator also, same thing here, then simplified form will be sin x by 1 minus sin x plus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Let us do LCM. 1 minus sin x, 1 plus sin x, we can write it as sin x 1 plus sin x plus sin x 1 minus sin x. Then we can do 1 minus sin square x, I mean a square minus b square formula. If I apply, it is sin x plus sin square x plus sin x minus sin square x. Sin square x cancel. So we can write here, this is 2 sin x, and 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Then finally we can write sin x by cos x, and then 1 by cos x. So it will be 2 tan x and then sec x. So this is the right hand side, and this is showed. Using that condition, hence solve this one. Already we have proved this one. I mean this one equals to 2 tan x sec x. So let me substitute 2 tan x sec x equals to 5 cosec x. Now we can simplify 2 sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x, 5 into 1 by sin x. So if we simplify here, cross multiplication, do 2 sin square x equals to 5 cos square x. Now let me write sin square x by cos square x equals to 5 by 2. So tan square x equals to 5 by 2. Finally, tan x equals to plus or minus root over 5 by 2. Now there's a two values of tan x. Tan x equals to root over 5 by 2. Another one is tan x equals to minus root over 5 by 2. Now let me consider here class diagram. All student take Cambridge. Trust Cambridge. So since tan x is plus, you can choose this quadrant and that quadrant. In this quadrant, if it is theta, and in this quadrant it will be pi plus 180 plus theta. So what about theta? What is the reference angle? Let me take shift 10, then root over 5 over 2. So it is becoming, you need to write the angle in one decimal place. So x equals to 57.7, and if we consider 180 plus this reference angle, so if we add 180 with this, we are having another angle x equals to 237.7 degree. Now let us see for these negative numbers. We can choose, since it is negative, all student trust Cambridge. So for negative quadrant, we will choose this angle and that angle. So this is theta, I mean 180 minus theta, and this is 360 minus theta. For fourth quadrant, this is 360 minus theta. So reference angle is 57.7. So x equals to 180 minus 57.7. Always remember this minus sign is to get the position in the quadrant. And then 360 degree minus 57.7 degree. Now let us simplify. X equals to 1 will be 122.3 degree and another one will be 302 degree point.
Given that x equals to 2 plus sec theta and y equals to 5 plus tan squared theta. So this is the question. We need to express y in terms of x. X equals to 2 plus sec theta. Therefore, sec theta equals to x minus 2. And y equals to 5 plus tan squared theta. We know that 1 plus tan squared theta equals to sec squared theta. So tan squared theta equals to sec squared theta minus 1. So let me substitute it here. 5 plus sec squared theta minus 1. 5 minus 1 cancels, so 4 plus sec theta whole square. And sec theta is substituted, so x minus 2 whole square. Find out dy dx. Our answer should be in terms of x. So let me differentiate this one. y equals to 4 plus x minus 2 whole square. So we can write dy dx equals to any differentiation derivatives of constant is 0. Then x minus 2 whole square, that is 2, x minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So this is the 2x minus 2. To find out the equation of tangent, we know that y minus y1 equals to dy dx x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. So we need to find out the value of x and y using theta equals to pi by 3 equals to 2 plus sec theta. That means 2 plus sec pi by 3. We know pi by 3, sec pi by 3 means 1 by cos pi by 3. This is half. 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. Y equals to 5 plus tan square theta. 5 plus tan square theta is here, pi by 3. 5 plus root over 3 square, so it is becoming 8. We know that dy dx equals to 2x minus 2. So let me substitute here x equals to 4. So 4 minus 2, 2 to the 4. So gradient is 4. The equation of tangent, y minus y1 is here 8, gradient is 4, x minus 4. If we simplify this, y equals to 4x minus 16 plus 8. So y equals to 4x minus 8. Question 7. The vector p has magnitude 39 in the direction minus 5i plus 12i, and same as q is also have magnitude 34 and its direction is 59 minus 8i. So first of all, think for p. We are going to find out p and q in terms of I. It has magnitude 39 and in the direction of minus 5i plus 12. So let us find out unit vector. Unit vector in the direction of minus 5 by 12j equals to minus 5i plus 12j divided by its magnitude. How to find magnitude? Coefficient of I whole square plus coefficient of j whole square. So we can write this is minus 5i plus 12j divided by 13. So therefore p equals to its magnitude and unit vector in that direction. Unit vector in the direction of 5 minus 5i plus 12j divided by 13. It's crossed 3. So let me simplify. Minus 15i plus 36j. Unit vector in the same way in the direction of 59 minus 8j equals to 59 minus 8j divided by root over coefficient of I square plus minus 8 square. Sorry, 15 square plus 8 square, and it's root over 17. So this is 15I minus 8j divided by 17. So Q equals to its magnitude and unit vector in the direction of 59 minus 8j. So Q equals to 30I minus 16j. Next question is, find the magnitude of P plus Q and the angle this vector makes with the positive x-axis. Write P is minus 15I plus 36j and Q equals to 30I minus 16j. And if we wish to find out P and Q, these all are vector quantity. So in print it will be in bold form, and when we are writing we can underline. So this is 30 minus 15, it is 15I, then it is plus 20. We need to find out the angle. So let me take this point. Let me consider this is 15 and this is 20. This is 15I and this is 20j. So this is theta. So we can write tan theta equals to 20 by 15. So theta equals to tan inverse 20 by 15. So it is 53.1 degree. So theta equals to 1 degree. This is question 8. The diagram shows the part of the curve y equals to 5 by x minus 1 plus 2x and the straight line x equals to 4 and 2y equals to 9x. We need to find out the coordinates of the stationary point y equals to 5 by x minus 1 plus 2x. So to find the stationary point, we don't need the graph at all. We need to first differentiate first derivative is equals to 0. Then we will find out the value of x. Y equals to 5x minus 1 to the power minus 1 plus 2x. So dy by dx equals to 5 minus 1 x minus 1 to the power minus 2 plus x is differentiated, result is 2. We can write this one as 5 by x minus 1 whole square plus 2. Stationary point minus 5 x minus 1 whole square plus 2 equals to 0. Minus 5 x minus 1 whole square equals to minus 2. Minus is cancelled from both the sides. 5 equals to 2 x minus 1 whole square. It's not necessary to use formula here. So x minus 1 whole square equals to 5 by 2. That means we can write x minus 1 equals to plus or minus root over 5 by 2. Now let us rationalize. Multiply numerator by root 2 and denominator also by root 2. So we can write 1 plus or minus root 10 by 2. So x can be 1 plus root 10 by 2 or x can be 1 minus root 10 by 2. But this is not acceptable since there is no negative part.
Substituting x equals to 1 plus root 10 by 2 in y equals to 5 by x minus 1 plus 2x. So that is 5 by 1 plus root over 10 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 times 1 plus root 10 divided by 2. So let me simplify. That is 10 by root 10 plus 2 plus root 10. If we simplify this one, rationalize this one, root 10 by root 10, so it will be 10 by 10 root over 10 divided by 10 plus 2 plus root over 10. 10 cancel, so it is becoming 2 plus root over 10. So x is 1 plus root 10 divided by 2 and y equals to 2 plus 2 root 10.
Given that the curve 2y minus 9x, 2y equals to 9x intersect at the point 2, 9, find the area of the shaded region. So they are meeting at 2, 9 at this point. Now we need to find out the area. So there's a two part. One part is triangle, that is 2 by 9. So we can write area of triangle is half base into height. Half, base is here 2 and height is here 9. So we can write 2 into 9. This is the area of triangle. Area of triangle. Now we need to find out the area under this shaded region. That means we need to integrate this curve from 2 to 4. Okay, let us do. Simplify, it will be 9 unit square. And area under the curve is area under the curve equals to integration of 2 to 4, 5 by x minus 1 plus 2x dx. We know integration of 1 by x is ln x. So we can write this one, first one as 5 ln x minus 1. Since ln has no negativity, negative issues, always we will keep in modular sign. Then 2 x square by 2. So 2, 4. Let me place 4 first of all. 4 minus 1, 3 plus 4 square, that is 16, minus 5 ln 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2 square, that is 4. Now let us simplify. 5 ln 3 plus 16 minus ln 1, 0. So this is minus 4. 5 ln 3 plus 12. Area of shaded region. We can write 9 plus 5 ln 3 plus 12. 21 plus 5 ln 3. It is from arithmetic AP. Its first term is A and common difference is D. Third term is and 10th term is 41. We need to find out A and D. So first of all, it is given third term is A plus 2D equals to 13. We know general that series or sequence, whatever, A plus D, A plus 2D, in that way. So third term is A plus 2D, and then 10th term is A plus 9D equals to 41. So we can write here and then subtract this 7D and 11, 3, 8, 28. So D equals to 4. Now substituting this D in equation number 1. So A plus 2 times 4 equals to 13. So A equals to 13 minus 8 equals to 5. Okay. Now find the number of terms required to give the sum 25555. We know sum of n term, Sn equals to 2555. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d equals to 2555. Let me use that value of a. 2 times a is 5 and then d is 4. N by 2, this is 10 plus 4n minus 4 equals to 2555, and n by 2 plus 6 plus 4n equals to 2555. So n equals to 3 plus 2n equals to 2555. Let me multiply 3n plus 2n square minus 2555 equals to 0. So 2n square plus 3n minus 2555 equals to 0. Here a equals to 2, b equals to 3, and c equals to minus 2555. So n equals to minus 3 plus or minus root over 3 square minus 4 times a minus 2555 divided by 2 times 2. 3 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 2 5 5 5, and then root over 143 into 4. So we can write here n equals to, this is not acceptable. Another one is n equals to minus 3 plus 143 divided by 4. So if we simplify the 12, 12, 4, 5. So n equals to 35. In this question, this is given that Sn is the sum of first n terms. Show that S2k minus Sk equals to 3k 1 plus 2k. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. We already have got a is in previous part, a is 5, d is 4. So let me use this value. A is 5, d is 4. So as 2k, it means 2k by 2, 2 times, 2k will be substituted by 2k, 1d. So let me write it here, as 2k minus sk equals to 2k by 2, 2 times a is 5 plus 2k minus 1, d is 4, same as sk, k by 2, 2 times 5 plus k minus 1, d is 4. Now let us simplify. K, 10, 8k minus 4, if we remove the bracket, k by 2, 10 plus 4k minus 4. So this is 6 plus 8k, then this is 6 plus 4k. 10 minus 4, that is 6. So if I multiply 6k plus 8k square and minus k by 2, if I multiply it with 6, it is 3k minus 2k square. Since outer side there is minus sign, so inner sign is changed. 8k square minus 2k square, that is 6k square, and 6k minus 3k, that is plus 3k, and 3k can be common, so it will be 2k plus 1. This is question 10. It is given that fx equals to 4x cube minus 4x square minus 15x plus 18. We need to find out the equation of normal when x equals to 1. First of all, let us know what is the formula to find out normal. Y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by dy dx, or we can say f dash x minus x1, and fx, f dash x and dy dx, here it shows same meaning. So we need to find out y1 also. So f1 equals to 4 minus 15 plus 18. I substituted x by 1. So 1 cube 1, 1 square 1, 15 times 1. Simplify, 4 cancel, and 18 minus 15, that is 3. So y is 3. So we have got the coordinates 1, 3. Now next part is f dash x, dy dx, like as dy dx. 12x square minus 8x minus 15 plus 0. Let me use x value here. X is 1 here. 12 minus 8 minus 15. So this is minus 11. Now it's very simple case. Just plug in with the formula. Normal y minus y. 1 minus 3 equals to minus 1 by dy dx. That is 1 by minus 1. X minus 1. If we simplify this, I think it will be very good if I keep up to this. Now it is also given that x plus a, where a is an integer, is a factor of fx. We need to find a. It's from remainders and factors theorem. So by what can be the factors of this one? Let me substitute x equals to minus 2. Let me check with this. 4 minus 2 cube minus 4 minus 2 squared, 15 times minus 2 plus 18. So this will be 32 minus 16 plus 30 plus 6, 7, 8, 4, and this is 48. So 0. So that is x plus 2 is a factor of fx. So therefore a goes to 2. 4 minus 4 minus 15 plus 18. Let me write here minus 2. So this is 4 y minus 2, x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. So 4 2s are 8, minus 8, minus 12 plus that is 24, this is 9, 24 minus 15 that is 9, 9 2s are 18, 0. So finally the factors will be x plus 2, then 4 x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2, and then if we factorize this one again, 6 6. So minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. 2x 3 minus 3, 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to 3 by 2. That is same thing for another x also. So we have got the result x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 3 by 2.
Thank you very much and keep watching. And I hope any problems if you face, please ask me on comment sections. I'll try to help you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and bye bye.